Okay? Thank you for the food. Ganito lang ako. Outfit check. What's that? What's
Sharon.
That's our bring home.
Say Sharon.
Sharon.
Take care. Take care. Yeah.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga upload ko. Saan nga ba tayo pupunta ngayong araw? Ngayong araw is January 2, 2025. Unang gala ngayong taon. So, meron tayong susunduin. Samahan nyo kami kung ano yung mangyayari sa amin ngayong araw. At ayan, ang time natin is 7:35 in the morning. Breakfast muna kami guys. Breakfast muna kami kasi nagugutom na rin kami bago kami dumiretso sa pupuntahan namin. So ayun guys, nagda-drive thru kami, mag-breakfast muna kami. Nandun na. Nauna pa siya guys kaysa sa amin. Medyo na traffic. Hindi kami na traffic. Talagang na-late kami. Na-late kaming gumayak. So nandun na siya. So in 15 minutes arrive na kami dun sa pupuntahan namin. So guys, ang susunduin natin walang iba kundi si Mario. Ayan, susunduin natin siya. So, umuwi siya, as in, nagbiyahe siya ng January 1 during, kinakabahan ako guys, kasi nandyan na daw siya sa may Bay 9. So, ayun. So, drop and go na lang tayo kasi nandyan na siya. So, dapat talaga ang plano is papasok kami pa ng airport. Kaso, naunahan niya kami kasi na-late din kami. So, ayun, nandyan si ate. Thank you, te. Thank you, Ate Jessa. So, ayun guys. Kinakabahan na ako. Kinakabahan na ako kasi nag-message na siya sa akin. Kasi ang dating niya is 8:05. Tapos nag-aalala na ako kasi 9 na. Wala pa rin siyang message sa akin. Tapos ngayon nag-message siya. Kaka-message lang niya sa akin na nasa may Bay 9 na daw siya. So, kinakabahan ako kasi mas nauna siya kaysa sa amin. So, yun. So, magda-drop and go na lang kami since andyan na siya. Hindi na kami makapag-parking. Nakaya kasi nauna pa siya sa amin. Pero okay lang. Okay lang siya magantay. Oh, kinakabahan na ako guys! Nakikita ko na naman siya after 2.5 months. Simula nung umuwi siya dito. Tapos ngayon, umuwi na naman siya kasi wala lang. Bet lang. Pero this time, mas matagal-tagal. So,
Gusto lang niya mag-send ng pera.
So, this time, mas matagal-tagal. So, abangan nyo yung vlog namin. Kung saan kami pupunta.
Let's go, Caramel!
So, yun.
Ayun, nakaupo! Ayun, nakaupo! Ay, forward mo na! Pa-forward mo. Ay, nakaupo siya. Guys, makikita na sila ulit. Ang tagal nilang hindi nagkita. Halos 2.5. Happy New Year! Okay, papasok na ako guys. Andito na sila guys. Ayan, Berta. Hi Mario! Hello Mario! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Welcome back, my love!
Ito lang.
Miss you so much.
Okay na yung sa likod?
Ayan.
Guys, nagtuka-tukaan na sila.
Finally, nandito na si Honey. Finally, you're here. Welcome back to the Philippines. Yay! Welcome back. Welcome back. Caramel, hi Caramel.
I'm your future aunt. You're crazy. You're another mom.
Ayan guys, medyo makalat kasi nag-open na siya ng maleta niya. Tapos kakarating lang namin. So, ayan. Ito lang siya guys. Grabe yung hassle. Nakakapagod. Pero worth it naman. So, yun.
So we have a little gift for my honey. It's a little Christmas gift, and I want to make it a little bit special, but it's not that much. But I think it's kind of cute. You can open it now.
Aw, thank you, honey. Ah, Like I can build it. Oh, it's so cute. A Lego. Right?
Yes, look at the picture.
Yeah.
It's you. And look at the second one.
Honey.
It's you.
Yeah. Guys, it's me. It's me. Look. Honey. It's so cute. What about this one? Oh, and this is you.
It was for your birthday. Look at me. I have look at my clothes.
Yeah,
Look at
exactly.
your clothes.
Yeah. Oh, it's also a Lego.
And we can build this together.
Yeah, it's so good. Wow. There's a picture in here. Like, this is me. I can flash the photo here. What's that photo? And then this is us. Honey, it's so cute. Wow. I think I can build yours and you can build mine.
We can do that like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so fun.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's so cute. I have a gift for you to buttershy.
Really? Show me.
It's so the same.
Really? Show me. Talaga. Show me.
Oh, this one. It's also a Christmas gift, but I don't know if you will like it.
What is it? Aww.
Our picture too.
So cute. Look.
You can put it into your new car.
Drive safe, hon. Always waiting for you in Suwayan. Mahal na makikita. Love, Aika.
Aww.
Thank you, Aniko.
Aw, you're welcome. Thank you too, honey.
You like it? We can
Yeah.
build this together.
Yeah, it's so cool.
I think it's more than just a gift because it's also a date at the same time, huh?
Yeah.
You need to scan it and then you get how to build it. Yeah.
Wow, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it's so cute. It's so cute. So cool. Thank you, honey.
Guys, nandito na yung in-order naming Jollibee. So, ayan, first meal namin Jollibee. Favorite niya na yan, guys. Favorite niya na yung Jollibee.
Secret combo.
Don't order soft drinks. I don't know.
Really?
I want water.
Sometimes when you don't like soft.
It's still cold. Okay, thank you, Lord, for the food. No?
Are you going to use this one?
Yeah, no, just.
Only this one?
Yeah. It's like the apple butter from Cracker.
Yeah. Eat a lot. Like just saying, let's eat. Zero in the house.
Really? Only for me?
You want me to open it?
Może ona coconut, huh?
We will cook adobo for you.
Really?
Yeah, I told her that you like adobo.
No, I've heard adobo.
Yeah,
That's
because
the difference.
yeah, because last time we went to Zambales and we eat adobo and it's it's not the same taste. And you don't like it, right? Yeah, I told you it's different. Thank you for the food. Hindi talaga kasi sa sintuman. Did you like the peach mango pie? Because it's hot pa, no? I don't think it's good when it's not hot.
Ani. Pupunta kami ng bahay kasi meron kaming dinner. Nagluto si Mama para kay Mario. Ang favorite daw niya is adobo. So, pupunta kami ngayon. Samahan niyo kami. Pupunta kami ng bahay. Kasi, doon kami magdi-dinner kasama yung family ko. So, tara na! Is that all?
That's all.
Oh, you better bring the tumbler. Mga ganito lang ako. Look, outfit check. Yan, alis na kami. Okay, let's go. Yan, tickets. So, yan. Ang hallway dito nakatakot, parang ghost. Tingnan nyo naman. What? So, andito na kami sa parking, guys. So, andito na kami sa loob ng sasakyan. Punta na kami ng bahay. From SM Fairview going to Bulacan. Kasi dito kami nakapag-rent ng aming pag-stayan. Before kasi around Bulacan lang yun. Kaya medyo like around 10 minutes lang sa bahay. Ngayon medyo malayo-layo siya. So, yeah. So, yan. Si Ate Peach ay nag-drive. Dito din si Ate Jessa. Present siya for today's video. Andito na si Ayana. Oh. Di ko nakita Ayana ang itim mo. Andun na kayo. Honey
Ayan, kakamadali mo, nadala mo yung basahan, no?
Oo nga no.
Kaya mo, nadala mo yung basahan.
Sa atin pa yan.
Kakamadali mo, nadala mo.
Here na. Hi, Sean.
Hello, how are you?
Yan si Papa. Yan si Papa.
Andun kay Shine eh, nag-ano.
Sa taas?
Papa is not there. Girl, dito na kami sa bahay. Magdi-dinner kami. Naabutan pa ni Mario yung 2025. Aba, maroon na niya pesto. You really know your ano, ha? Hello! Hello!
Wala ng kamay.
Nabutan niya pa guys yung ano, yung design namin. 2025.
O, dyan lang yung chinelas mo. Nakita, sabi ko dyan lang sa ilalim.
Sang ilalim, ma?
Dito, ilalim ng puan.
Kinaturog lang yung sarap yan.
Ano, makaon na kita.
Yes, magutom na.
Maghugas mo ng kamot.
Jessa, put it like this. Hold it, you bring home.
Hold your bring home.
What's that? What's that?
That's our bring home.
Say Sharon.
Sharon.
Vibes with Ate Jessa, ha? You have a lot to bring home. Sige na.
Okay. Take care. Okay, take care. Yeah.
Na, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Father. Tapos na kami. Honey, our water. Sige, Ate Jessa will bring it na lang. Bye-bye, Ma. Thank you so much. Bye.
Ka na naman. Bye mo.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Oh, yung tumbler, honey. Get the tumbler. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.